Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NABS Home School. This is Abir Hossain, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take mathematics class for class 3, and our today's topic is multiplication, and our lecture is 14 and SW is 13. Look here is your SW 13. You have to submit your SW on your school campus. Now, my dear students, let's go to start our class. Look here is question number 1, 286 multiplied by 4. First of all, you have to multiply 4 by 6. 4 6 are 24, and you have carry 2. 4 8s are 32, and 2 it will be 34. So here is 4, and you have carry 3. Now last one, 4 2s are 8, 8 and 3 it will be 11. So the required answer is 1144. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now look here is question number 2, 43 multiplied by 35. Now look here. First of all, you have to multiply 43 by 5. 5 3s are 15, you have carry 1. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, it will be 21. Now, you have to multiply 43 by 3. Since 3 is tens place digit, so you have to skip the ones place digit, and you have to start from the tens place column. 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. Now you have to add 215 and 1290. 5 plus 0 it will be 5. 9 plus 1 it will be 10, and you have carry 1. 2 and 1 3. 3 plus 2 it will be 5, and 1 will be here. So the correct answer is 1505. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now look here is question number 3, 367 and 25. First of all, you have to multiply 367 by 5. 5 7s are 35, and you have carried 3. 5 6 are 30, and 3 33. Again you have carried 3. 5 3s are 15, and 3 it will be 18. Now, since here is 2 is tens column digit, so you have to skip the tens column, you have to skip the ones column. Now 2 7s are 14, carries 1, and 2 6 are 12, and 1 it will be 13. Again you have carry 1. 2 3s are 6, and 1 it will be 7. Now add these two numbers, 1835 and 7340. 5 and 0 it will be 5. 4 and 3 it will be 7. 3 and 8 it will be 11. So here it will be 1, and you have carry 1. 7 and 1 is 8. 8 and 1 it will be 9. So the answer is 9175. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Look here is question number 4, 195 and 34. First of all, you have to arrange these numbers, 195 and 34, this way. Now multiply as the last rules. 4 5s are 20, you have carried 2. 4 9s are 36, and 2 it will be 38. You have carried 3. 4 1s are 4, and 3 it will be 7. Now we skip the ones place, start from the tens place. 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27, and carry 1 it will be 28. You have carried 2. 3 1s are 3, and 2 it will be 5. Now add these numbers, 0 plus 0 it will be 0. 5 plus 8 it will be 13. You have carry 1. 8 and 1 9. 9 and 7 10. 11 12 13 14 15 16, and you have carry 1. 5 and 1 it will be 6. So the answer is 6,630. My dear students, hope you understood how can we multiply two numbers. Practice it at your home more and more. See you soon and till then, Allah Hafiz.